Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can install Pytorch and Anaconda and OpenCV along with GPU settings. So let's begin. So first for Windows, it's pretty much straightforward. You just need to go to this Windows section, go to download register, and then just click next and next. So it's pretty much easy, uh, not complicated. For Linux distribution, select the appropriate in a section. So for Linux, I'll be selecting this, and over here you need to copy this and then paste it here on your command prompt and then execute it. And then again for Linux, you need to copy this and then paste it over here. So once done, a file will be downloaded. I have a different version of Anaconda actually because I had installed it before. So this is the command that you need to run, and then it should get installed. It will ask for permission. You need to type yes, and then it should all work. And once done, you need to type source bash rc file. So once all of these steps are done, you can type conda, and if this comes up, then it means that you have successfully installed it. And the process is quite similar for Mac OS users. You can just follow these steps. It's not that difficult. After that, you need to type conda activate. So if this base is not visible, then you need to type conda activate. If it is already visible, then you don't need to type this. Then you need to create a new environment. So conda create an name. You need to give any name to the environment, and then let's say GG for example, and need to type Python is equal to whatever version of Python you want to install. So let me show you my environment. So conda env list. This will show the list of environments on your system. So I'll just activate my system. Conda activate open VN. So the Python version that I have is 3.10. So to create the environment, you need to type conda create name, whatever the name of the environment you want to give, and then Python equals to whatever version you want, and then hit enter. Then it will create an environment with that name and with that version of Python. Now once you have created the environment, that it would take some time, and after that you need to activate that environment. So once you are in the environment, you can install all the requirements. So if you want to use a Pytorch version less than 2.6, so you can use this command. So this command is for people who don't want to use GPU. Now if you want to use GPU, you need to additionally type -c, which is NVIDIA channel, and you need to specify the CUDA version. Version would be 11.8 in my case. So now how to identify which CUDA version is compatible with your system. So for that you need to open your NVIDIA app or GeForce app, which was previously called. So here you need to make sure that your driver has been installed. So preferably you should go with Studio driver. There is another driver called game driver. So you can have either one of them installed at one time. So for deep learning applications, Studio driver works better compared to gaming driver. However, you can use gaming driver as well. Now, if you have already have this installed and updated, open this and open your terminal and type NVIDIA SMI, and it will show you the driver version you have and the CUDA version, the highest CUDA version which this driver supports. So in our case, we were trying to install CUDA 11.8. If you go to Pytorch, the website, you can see there are other CUDA versions available as well, 12.1 and 12.4. So you can install any one of them. But if you want to install the latest stable version of Pytorch, which as of today is 2.6, you can go with this command. So here from 2.6 onwards, Conda install won't be supported. So here you have the option of depth. So here you can install it and use the respective CUDA version. So here we have 11.8, 12.4, 12.6. Okay. So basically you can use any CUDA version which is less than or equal to the CUDA version which was mentioned in NVIDIA SMI. So in our case, it was 12.8. So any of these can work with our GPU driver and PyTorch, okay, for this version. You can type Python import torch dot dot is available. Here it is showing as true. It means that our torch is able to find our GPU. So we have successfully configured our PyTorch with GPU. So I hope you found my video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.